Hello guys, my name is Naveed and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we discuss everything related to artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, computer vision, and natural language processing. Everything mean we'll discuss mathematical understanding and then implementation in Python language. Mathematical understanding will discuss everything related to linear algebra, calculus, how derivative involved in deep learning optimization problem, how integration is involved. Then we will discuss statistics, basic, intermediate, and advanced that are essential to become a data scientist in 2022. Then we will implement all these concepts in Python language. Why Python? Because Python is an open source programming language where we have the already packages like scikit-learn, Keras, PyTorch, where you can implement these things with very little effort. So after that, we will also read some research papers in this channel. We will try to implement these research ideas. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, please don't click on this subscribe button. Why? Because this is free.